interior. New carpet. Upholstery is in good condition. I got all the chrome parts. I got that chrome for the back rear. I have that available. Comes with the car. High oil pressure. 48,000 miles on the odometer. Cold temperature. Got a high performance radiator. I have Ford rims available that come with the car, 18-inch, brand new 18-inch tires. They fit the car well, and again it comes with Ford 18-inch rims as well. And the previous owner tried to make it customized, so he took out the side lights, which I have. We want to return them back. And then other than that, the body's not in bad condition, just needs some body work here and there.